Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Microsoft Family features. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you step by step. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open up the Task Manager. There are two ways to do this. Search method: click on the search bar at the lower left side of your screen and type in Task Manager. Shortcut method: press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape at the same time. This shortcut will open Task Manager directly. Once Task Manager is open, if you only see the basic view, click on More Details at the bottom of the window to expand it to the advanced view where you can see CPU, memory, disk, network, and GPU usage. Next, we need to go to the Services tab in Task Manager. This tab lists all the services running on your computer. Click on Services to open it. In the Services tab, we need to find the service named Bookman SVC. This service is related to Microsoft Family features. Scroll down to the services that start with W. Look for Bookman SVC. Once you find Bookman SVC, right-click on it and select Stop. This will stop the service from running. You should see the status column changed to Stopped. Next, we need to open the Services Management Console to make sure the service doesn't start again automatically. Right-click on Bookman SVC again and select Open Services. This will open the Services Management Console. In the Services Management Console, look for the service called Parental Controls. This is another name for Bookman SVC. Scroll down to the P section to find it. Right-click on Parental Controls and select Properties. In the Properties window, change the startup type from manual to disabled. This ensures that the service won't start automatically when you restart your computer. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. To verify that the service is disabled, you can try to start it again. Right-click on Parental Controls and select Start. You should see that the service remains in the stopped status, confirming that it's disabled. And that's it. You have successfully disabled Microsoft Family features on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Bye.